This is TKaraoke running on the Amazon Fire TV second generation, and it is running build 17. Build 17 is our first major released build. Quite a bit of improvement. First improvement worth noting is the memory footprint has been scaled down a lot. It used to use about 130 megs, and that's apparently could be a problem on low-end device, like a $20 device. So I've optimized it to save about 93% memory, so it uses about 10 to 20 meg now instead of 130 to 150 range. So quite a bit of memory saving there. Um, the second thing to note is that you notice there's going to be a lot more rows. Used to be there's only 3 rows: new, the recent, and the all row. New is basically all the songs that were added to your collection recently, and recents are all the songs that you played recently. So these are the songs that I played recently, and I kept track of it. The other rows are just categories that you define on your collections. So for example, I define a 4K song categories. I only have 3 right now. There's about 100 to 200 out there that I didn't get a chance to collect yet. Then I can make a TKaraoke HD songs category. So these will contain all the TKaraoke HD songs. And then there's a using SD 3000 there. TUNY songs are in this row. Other music shows are here. TC Karaoke, and then all the Asia songs are here. Twin Guys songs are here. I think all your Yuyings are here, and then you sing alongs are here, and then I got like FAP here, and then also so with the each category being on its own row, this design is very flexible. You can define how you want the GUI to look, each row, the contents of each row, and the order of them. The 3 rows that will be injected automatically are the new, the recent, and the all rows. So on your collection, if you don't define any category, you still get 3 rows. And the order of each category is, so basically you define a category by making a file with name.category extension, and that's exactly the same way you define the category in the TKaraoke desktop version. You define it the same way, make that file and put it in a particular folder, then all the songs in that folder will have that category. The new thing is if you edit that file using a text editor and give it a number inside, that's how you define the order of the category. The higher the order, it will appear first. Include the new and the recent categories are automatically generated for you, but you can define that order as well. I'll go over in a forum post to get the details out. So basically, you can define your category to have a higher priority than new. In that case, your category, that category will be the first row, and you can make recent a higher order than new. Then in that case, recent can come up. So with this design, the options are limitless pretty much. You define how what the category are and the order in which they appear. So for example, if I scroll here and say play this song, skip over a little bit here, save some time. So to say you finished singing that song, I'm just gonna hit the back button, save some time there. You notice immediately that appeared in the recent row, right? Because that's my most recent song. So yeah, as soon as you finish singing, it knows, and it keeps tracking the recent row. So if you have a couple of favorite songs that you play all the time, you can access them pretty quickly using the recent row. We'll be rolling this build out pretty soon. There's a few bugs that I like to fix, pretty minor bugs, but I like to fix before I released it. But so yeah, pretty exciting build.